Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the Brady M210 Portable Label Printer Kit, a robust solution for professional labeling. This isn't just any label maker. It's engineered for demanding industrial environments, essential for anyone managing complex wiring, panels, or circuit boards. The M210 printer is a marvel of portable design, built to withstand job site rigors. Its key strength is creating multi-line labels, ensuring clear identification for detailed needs, and eliminating the frustration of cramped, single-line labels. The comprehensive AZ09 keypad makes navigation straightforward, allowing quick input. A backlit LCD graphics display is invaluable in dimly lit areas, enhancing visibility. The printer offers versatility in text size, printing in 6 different sizes from 6 to 40 point, all in crisp monochrome, ensuring legibility for any application. A printer is only as good as its labels, and Brady excels with specialized media. The kit often includes the authentic M210 75595 WT all-weather vinyl label. This B595 vinyl, with its permanent acrylic adhesive, endures the harshest climates, autoclaves, freezers, even liquid nitrogen, where standard labels fail. Its versatility is remarkable, perfect for pipe marking, warehouse identification, safety signs, and arc flash warnings, performing flawlessly indoors and out. The adhesive strength is impressive, adhering securely to smooth, rough, textured, powder-coated, or irregular surfaces, ensuring reliable, long-haul identification. For intricate wiring jobs, the authentic M210 75427 self-laminating wire wrap is an absolute necessity. Crafted from Brady's B427 self-laminating vinyl, these labels feature a protective layer that automatically covers the printed text. This ingenious design provides an unparalleled shield against abrasion, dirt, oils, solvents, water, and constant handling. It ensures critical wire identification remains perfectly legible and intact, preventing costly errors and downtime. In essence, the Brady M210 Portable Label Printer Kit, combined with these high-performance labels, offers a complete and robust solution for professional-grade labeling. It empowers users to create durable, clear, and reliable identification for virtually any industrial application, ensuring safety, efficiency, and compliance. This system is truly built to perform where others fail, making it an invaluable asset for any serious technician or facility manager.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.